everybody, it's Billy Bob and it's time for story time in November. Woo-wee! Do we have some fun stories to tell you? So might as well get started, right, little turkey? Here we go.
Farmer Brown's Cattle Ranch. Farmer Brown bought a typical cattle ranch, raising ordinary steers. Tried to make a better than average amount of money. Within time it did. Everything was going well until Bernard joined the herd. Bernard was not your typical steer. He wasn't ordinary, nor was he average. Bernard was a dancer. He liked modern dancing. He enjoyed tap dancing. But most of all, Bernard loved ballet dancing. Naturally, the others in the herd laughed at him and made fun of him. Bernard just kept to himself. He did what he enjoyed doing, and the other cattle did what they enjoyed doing. As time went on, the herd grazed and grazed and grazed. Bernard practiced and practiced and practiced and practiced. By the time the cattle roundup came, the other steers in the herd were your typical, ordinary, average, and normal steers. But Bernard was a toe-tapping wonder. Soon news spread that Farmer Brown had the finest herd in the county. All the steers would be sold at a very good price. That is, all except for Bernard. The steers did not want to leave their home, so they went to Bernard for advice. After all, he was the only one who was staying. Bernard did his best to help them. When the day of the cattle auction came, the herd really showed their stuff. Naturally, the other farmers didn't want anything to do with a bunch of ballet dancing bulls. From that day on, they all lived long and happy lives. As for Farmer Brown, he learned his lesson. If you can't beat them, join them. Performing nightly, performing to a sold-out crowd, Bernard's Barnyard Ballet.
That was a fun story. I can't wait for the next one. Speaking of that, we'll see you next time. This is Billy Bob and Turkey saying Happy November.